that produce and release substances, such as hormones, enzymes, or other chemical compounds. They play a crucial role in various physiological functions and maintaining homeostasis. There are two main types of glands. 1. Exocrine glands. These glands secrete their products into ducts, which then carry the secretions to specific locations. Examples include sweat glands, salivary glands, and digestive glands like the pancreas. 2. Endocrine glands. These glands secrete hormones directly into the bloodstream, allowing them to reach target cells or organs throughout the body. Examples include the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, and reproductive glands like the ovaries and testes. Endocrine glands can be further categorized into pituitary gland, often referred to as the master gland. It regulates other endocrine glands and produces hormones that control growth, reproduction, and metabolism. Thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism and energy production. Adrenal glands release hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which play roles in stress response and metabolism. Pancreas functions as both an exocrine gland, producing digestive enzymes, and an endocrine gland, releasing insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar. Gonads, ovaries and testes, produce sex hormones that are essential for reproduction and development.